for joining me at this hour now. This evening's top story, a flooding was caused by heavy rain around midnight in north, central, and south of Trinidad to rise. Some places such as Pennell and Barkpore started to rise. Even Clark Road, Agward Village, and Lachos Road also experienced flooding. Madras Road was impassable along with several areas in the Caroni, Piaco, San Rafael, and St. Helena. Parts of Sangre Grande are also underwater with several roads impassable. As the flooding is still happening, people were not injured but have lost their home shelter such as food, clothes, and money. Francis said they have to donate foodstuff and cleaning items to others who experienced flooding. And during the flooding, a 5.1 magnitude earthquake has struck this afternoon. The earthquake was felt at 12:35 p.m. at the Seismic Research Center at the University of the West Indies, St. Augustine campus, 78 kilometers northeast of Scarborough, 161 kilometers northeast of Arima, and 181 kilometers northeast of Port of Spain. There was nobody injured. Here are some photos and videos from the flooding.
Nah, Maxi Taxi Group. This is what's going on the southbound and northbound. Southbound impossible to pass. All high water. Highway block. See how all the cars are them turning back? Watch. I know get stuck in it. Impossible to pass. Impossible. So drivers on the Maxi taxi group is better always stay home and rock back because watch, you can't pass. Water. And up there, it all on the northbound too.
We're here going to the second location, the Kalpu brothers, trying a lot of rescues out here today. We're heading to St. Helena now, hopefully reach you all in time. So, a lot of people in distress, food without food, water, and they're on the roof. So, we're on our way there. Keep you guys posted.
Yeah, I'll come down the van on this side.
Why you come?
Come in.
Pick them up and then...
Don't worry, Mama, we're coming for you. We're coming. Take your time, take your time. Ravi, you take her, Ravi, you take her.
You're doing good. Look how good you're doing.
Pull the ladder for her there. Alright, Mama, don't worry, we got you.
It's over just now.
Easy. Go easy. Come on. I ain't gonna jump.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Take your time.
Smokey, Mama coming now. Good girl.
Put your foot on this one. No, just push it up. Just
Keep walking up, Mama. Keep walking up. Keep walking up, Mama. Keep walking up the next step.
You're making it.
come on this ladder. Come on this
You're
ladder.
making it.
I can't make it. I can't raise my foot.
Come on this ladder.
That's all.
All right. Take your time. Take it.
I thought you was out and already been here, and then you inside.
Yeah, big man, you take your time. You know we go in. You know we can do it. If it's one thing Kalpus can drive, you know, you straight up to the step we get in it. Ravi! Yeah. Alright, Mama, we got you. Mr. Chances, you good?
Yeah, man.
Nice, man. Hold the ladder properly. Nice. Current is strong, so take a little time. Right, well done. Well, the rescue efforts is just going and the flood waters are rising.
What do you want, man?
People are stranded. Well, the rescue efforts is just going and the flood waters are rising.
What do you want, man?
People are stranded. Trips by trips. By trips. We coming back for you all. We coming back.
The road is dry. So persons are...
Don't worry, Chance, I'll come back for you. Don't worry, I'll come back. Hey, sorry, YB. Sorry, we have space for you here, YB.
Yeah, boy, I think that. Think he called to be attracted to a voice. What time is it in here? Watch it! Hey, the cow digging out.
What happened,
The cow digging out, is it? Will it run?
No, yeah, I don't want to.
When dogs, the canal is almost submerged. And we hear the dogs are just bawling for their lives there right now. Right, we're trying to get them out of this flood water. Relief to everyone. Don't worry, Chance, we're coming for you now. Is that pit? Ooh, look, the bird riggers and all too. Huh. Love birds and all too, yeah. It's crazy, it's crazy. Currents are getting stronger. Boy, the reliefs just keep coming. Andy.
I can't get one thing you want to do. I don't know. I called it this morning and I said,
Flood it out. Trapped in their homes 2 days now. No water, no food.
Yeah, use you are holding.
Any color underneath,
Yeah, nice, huh? Nice color,